What is up, different gang? It is Dark Beauty 925 coming to you live, and today I'm going to be doing like a new makeup look kind of series. And really what it's all about is me creating different makeup looks that will make girls feel more comfortable trying out colors. So I am one of those females that is just like so not into bright colors on dark skin. I do not know why, but when it comes to eyeshadow, I'm just like not the biggest fan. But I just want to try out certain colors in different videos. So this is almost like a whole separate playlist of me just testing out different colors on a makeup look. If you comment below a certain color that you want me to do, I will screenshot it and have a picture of your comment, and then I will say your name out loud. So basically you get a shout out for telling me what color that I should try. The looks that I will do will be based off the comments that you give me. This week I'm starting off with yellows, and I just picked yellow because that's how I know is the most scary, and I luckily just want to get the yellow over with. But yes, stay tuned to the video so you can see how my yellow makeup look turns out. Look who's FaceTiming me.
Yeah, no. What you doing?
I was in the middle of making a video.
Oh, let me get in. What up?
So that is all for my makeup look today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm so happy to be able to be testing out colors with you guys, especially coming from a person that was very like inside of my shell to go out and play with colors. But it's crazy that now I'm able to be comfortable with wearing like yellow eyeshadows or just very bright eyeshadows like that. So most definitely, like I said in the beginning of the video, if you have any color suggestions, most definitely comment down below and you'll be able to receive that shout out. I'm on my way to half of 1,000 subscribers, so I really appreciate if you hit that subscription button. It is Dark Beauty 925 signing out this live. Bye.